In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Copilot to summarize content. This is a quick and practical way to turn long text into something shorter, clearer, and easier to understand. If you're working with articles, notes, reports, emails, or any other written material, Copilot can help you save time by pulling out the main points for you. To get started, open Copilot first. Once you're there, go to the chat area where you can type and send messages. The main idea is very simple. You provide the content you want summarized, and then you ask Copilot to summarize it. So the next step is to send the content into Copilot. You can paste the text directly into the chat. Make sure you include the material you actually want summarized, especially if it's a longer piece of writing. If the content is very large, it can help to send the most relevant section or break it into manageable parts so the summary stays focused and accurate. After the content has been sent, ask Copilot to summarize it. You can use a direct prompt like "summarize this content" or "give me a short summary of the text above." Once you send that request, Copilot will generate a condensed version that highlights the key ideas. That's really the core process, and in many cases that's all you need. But if you want a more useful or tailored result, you can also add specific instructions along with your summary request. For example, you can ask for a one-paragraph summary, a bullet-style recap, a simplified version for beginners, or a summary that focuses only on action items, important arguments, or takeaways. You can also specify the tone or format if you need the output to fit a particular purpose. This is especially helpful when the original content is complex or when you're looking for something more than a general overview. The clearer your instructions are, the more targeted the response will be. So to recap in a natural workflow, open Copilot, paste in the content you want summarized, and then ask for a summary. If needed, include extra directions to shape the result around your goals. That's how to use Copilot to summarize content quickly and effectively. Once you get used to it, it becomes a very easy way to review information faster and focus on what matters most.